So this video is for part 2 of project 4, in which we have implemented WebSockets for client server communication, and now I will be showing initialization steps for the server. So first we have to get all the dependencies. Alright, so after getting dependencies, we can just start the server by doing mix phx dot server, and the server should start. So as you can see, the server started on port 4000, and now we have to start we have to build the client. Alright, so client is also inside the project 4 part 2 directory, and the client code is inside Phoenix client. So now we have to get the dependencies for the client, as it is a separate mix project. So after getting the dependencies of client, we have to do mix escript.build. Alright, so after building it up, we can start the client by doing and giving the server IP as a command line argument. Alright, so now it is asking for a username, and on left hand side we will start another client in here. So that I can show all the functionality of the app. Let's give different name. Alright, so now the user Akshay is sending a tweet. So as you can see, Anmol has not subscribed to user Akshay, so Anmol has not received this tweet. So now, as I have mentioned the user Anmol in the tweet, so user Anmol has got the tweet, and Anmol also gets an option to either retweet or not. So let's say no. Alright, and let's subscribe Anmol to user Akshay. Alright, so now whenever user Akshay sends tweets, user Anmol will always get that, as the user Anmol has subscribed to user Akshay, and again Anmol is getting option for retweet. So if he does Y, then it will be retweeted. Alright, so now let's log out Unmol and check out the feed feature of our app. So to log out we press 7 and now so as the user Anmol is logged out, so he has not received this hello world, and it should be there in his feed as he was the subscriber of Akshay. So now let's log Anmol back in and we can see that it was there in the feed. So the hello world came up here. Hello world came up here. So now let's unsubscribe Anmol from Akshay and again do a tweet. So as Anmol has unsubscribed Akshay, so again Anmol has stopped getting the tweets from Akshay. So now let's query for the hashtag. So this was the tweet which was having this hashtag 2018. Let's query for mention as well at Anmol. So again this was the tweet which was having at Anmol in the as a mention. So this is pretty much all the required functionality of the app, and now I will show some code. So basically, like for the client I am using Phoenix channel client, and so it basically it uses WebSocket to connect to the server, and this is the server code where we are initializing all the tables of ETS. We are using ETS data store for storing all the data. ETS is basically a in-memory data store of Elixir, and we have used channels. So basically this is the channel code, and so we are using the channel here. So